Hello everyone. Do you know what is Voters Day? In order to encourage more young voters to take part in the political process, Government of India has decided to celebrate January 25th every year as National Voters Day. It has been started from January 26, 2011 to mark the Commission Foundation Day.
Every single vote is concerned by the polling process, which makes every vote important. It is a major responsibility for the people to choose their leaders to run their government. Universal adult franchise, also known as universal suffrage, gives the right to vote to all the citizens regardless of their wealth, income, gender, race, and all other restrictions. There are some reasons for why we should vote. These are: elections have consequences. Not voting is giving up our voice. Voting is an opportunity for change. The community depends upon you. Electoral malpractice seems to be on the rise almost everywhere. It presents tangible yet distinct threats to the election process.
We, the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair, and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement.
Shape tomorrow by voting today.
If we don't vote, we are ignoring history and giving away the future. Cast your vote, but don't vote your caste.
To conclude, we can say that National Voters Day is an important day celebrated in India every year on 25th January to spread awareness among the youth so that they can cast their votes to a responsible person and participate in the development of the country.